Hello, welcome to OBSMT. Today we show a PCBA cleaning machine. It's used for cleaning the residual organic and inorganic pollutants, such as flux and the soda paste on the surface of PCBA after SMT patch and plug-in welding. As you can see, machine uses stainless steel materials with long lifespan. Whole machine design is compact. You can put other equipment besides the PCBA cleaner, while we save factory space. Cleaner uses 7-inch touchscreen control, Chinese and English interface, easy to operate. PCBA cleaner with large cleaning capacity, 650 nans, 600 watts, 160 millimeters. 3-layer basket design can meet the large PCB size. PCBA cleaner completes all processes of cleaning, raising, and drying in one clean room. Very suitable for high-quality requirement factory. Okay, if you are interested in this machine, welcome to contact us to get more details. Thanks for your watching.